Hey everyone! Let's see how you can add appointments directly in your appointments calendar. With this new design, you can quickly add an appointment directly from this upper right corner button, Add to Calendar. You will see there are three actions button. You can either add an appointment, you can add a quick appointment, or add a task. Another option to add an appointment is by clicking directly on a free slot in your calendar, and then you have to choose just the client's name. If they have multiple pets, make sure to select the correct one, and you will see that the staff member will be already pre-filled and as well the date. Take in consideration to add the service that is going to be provided, as well as you have to set up if the clients will get a notification via email as well. When they have the mobile app installed, you will see this pop-up message in here, and definitely they will get a notification via mobile app. Another thing that you can do is you can customize the reminders. By default, you will see that the client will get a notification 1 day and 1 week prior to the time of the appointment. You can definitely customize these reminders to delete them or add multiple ones. Down here, you can see that there is a text box available to message the client. You can add notes if you want to inform them about some details prior to the appointment. As well, the second text box is available for internal notes if you want to leave some notes for your colleagues or for yourself. Hit Add Appointment, and then you will see the appointment in the calendar. Once they present themselves to the clinic, make sure you open the consultation from this open button, and you will go directly to the SOAP template. In here, you can start adding your medical notes, and then you can even add a next appointment if you want to have a recheck by going to the plan section in the follow-ups. Thank you.